guys, welcome back. So today we're working on we're going to make a shock tower bar and to go across the two shock towers. I'll drop in a couple pictures here in a moment of a couple of examples that I saw online. All right, guys, so quick little update. So as you've seen, right, some of the progress. Basically, guys, I more or less have built this with just a angle grinder, right, and a cutoff wheel. I could have cut the tube, shorter, not using that with a cutoff wheel, but I like using that. So, other than that, guys, you can use simple hand tools to make this bar. I had all this lying around. Granted, you might have to go buy it, with a few things from your local supply store or from a scrapyard. But you can see, we've got some movement, right, side to side here. So we've got a little play so it does not hit the nice painted frame. We've got a little movement, side to side here. So when I go to bolt it down, so she doesn't rub up against the paint either, at least too bad. So I've just got two tack welds right now holding this in place, so I'll go ahead and finish welding it here and here, and then on the bottom side as well, we'll weld this all out. And I'm thinking about making some small caps, you know, just to, you know, make it look nice and finish it real good. So let me go ahead and unbolt this. We'll finish welding it up. And then, you know, we'll do some self-etching primer on it, and we'll paint it. And we're going to paint this red because, you know, we've got red springs. We're going to go ahead and paint this red. And then, you know, I'll do another video on, I don't know if I'm going to make it in this video or a separate video, but we'll make the other arms here in a minute. All right, guys, she is all welded up. You know, she fits in there nice, all welded up, still has plenty of room and slack. So, you know, not a lot, but it's got a little play and movement, which is fine. So when we go to bolt down, you know, mount the shocks in there, you know, we'll give more support for the shocks, you know, with this brace, as well as, you know, the whole side to side there as well. So we'll get this painted up and mount her up for good. So with that, guys, I think that wraps up this short video. Well, I'm not sure how long it'll be, but fairly short for me. Anyway, this, you know, I only have a few dollars in this, obviously, and my time. You know, a few hours worth of screwing around, and, you know, we've got a nice brace and saved myself, you know, like the cheapest one I saw was like $100, $102 or something. You know, so I made this out of stuff that I had lying around in the shop. Again, you know, you can probably go out and buy the same material for, you know, $15, $20 and whip it out yourself. If you've got an angle grinder and a welder, you can make this. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And in the next video, we will show you, or I will show you how I made my other support braces. You know, and then we'll paint those and mount them up as well. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day in your shop.